Hello everyone, hope you're doing alright. In this video, you will learn how to use some of the most simple date functions, which is now and today. These functions let us access information about the current time and date. To have the current time and date, you have to make use of the now function. So what you need to do is to key in the equal sign, type in now. It doesn't matter if it's a capital letter or not, and then put in the left parenthesis and close it, then press the enter key. So if you look at this date here, you would see that I do have the date and time. It gives you the exact date, the current date, the time, and the minute. While the today function to enter the date today function, click exactly where the cell where you want it displayed, type in the equal sign and type in today. It doesn't matter if it's capital letter or small letters. Left parenthesis and then close it. Press the enter key on your keyboard. So you would see now the today function presents the current date, as you see over there, while the now function gives you the current date and the time. Current date and time. So if you want to format the today function, you click on the cell, right click on the cell and scroll to where you have format cells. Now what this does for you is so you choose the kind of date formatting that you want. So I want to date the date, click on where you have category and choose the date, and I want this kind of date formatting. So once you do that, you click the OK. So I have a different kind of date formatting. So these things are dynamic because each time you update your document, it changes the current date. So if I'm to open this document tomorrow, it's going to give me 1st June 2020. That's why it's dynamic. If I add more information here, for instance, I put in the word yes. If I press the enter key, for instance, you would see at the now function, it has changed from 17 minutes after 9. So the more time, it's dynamic because the more you update your document, it changes the time for you. Alright, so that's why I say it's dynamic. So since we do have date function here, we have exact date, you can as well format the now function to display only dates. But note that the now function displays the current date and time, while today function displays the current date. To format to show only time, right click on the cell and go to where you have the format cells. Now here you choose time because you want to display the only time. Alright, so you choose whichever type that you wish here. So let's choose the second one and click OK. So this time here, which makes it better for me to illustrate, now we have it displays the hour, the minutes, and the second. Now if I type in it's 17 minutes after 9 a.m. So if I type in the word no and press enter key, you would see the time has changed. So they are both dynamic. For the time, each time you update your document, it changes the time. And for the date, each time you open up the document, it gives you the current date, when that document was modified. I hope you do understand this video, and if you don't, please drop your comments in the comment sections below and I will explain further. See you in my next video. Bye.